stand and smile in the middle. Say cheese. Max, cheese.
Action shot. These things are recorded.
Ooh.
It's so fun.
Max, you want to go in here? You got to take your shoes off if you want to go play.
My shoes don't fit.
All right, go play. Go play. Go follow the other kids. You got it. Whoa, there's a slide. Go, follow him. Follow him. Go up the slide. Follow them. It'll take you to the slide. Go on. Go on, you got it. You got it. You're fine. There you go. Give it a go. There you go. You got it. You're doing great. You're fine. You're doing great. Keep trying. No, Mom's got your shoes right here. Keep trying. Give it another try. You gonna climb all the way up? Look at you go. Look at you climbing. Yeah, you having fun? Yeah. Okay. You can go down the slide if you want. You got it. That looks like a cow nose ray. Yeah. You want to go over there? Our safe touch, which is about
Where's the next place we go to?
Smile, Reese! Smile! Good. They're swimming. Look, there's one right there. Look at these guys. Look, they're swimming. They're having fun. Yeah, is Daddy sticking his hand in the water?
Max.
No splashing.
Yo, you touch them?
I'm scared of them.
Jumps.
Yeah. Should we go wash your hands? Sure. What? You're fine. You see the fish? Look, you want to step up on this yellow rock right here? And see the iguana up there? Look, you see the big lizard on the rock? Oh, you're fine. Look, there's a little lizard there too.
Max,
See
look, the big lizard. You see the big lizard?
There's big lizard, little lizard. You see it? big lizard. There's a little
Oh, he's
lizard.
looking at me. 1, 2, 3, oh, 4, 5.
Oh, look at these.
Look at that big fish.
That's a big fish. Look, that's a big fish.
Big fish.
Deep fish.
There's another one over there.
That's a big fish.
Look at that, Max.
Look at that one.
Look at that one.
A big fish. Look at these big fish.
Whoa.
There's a lot of big fish.
This is a long
Look at these fish.
Cover your mouth. Look, baby, look at all these fishes.
Look at them. There's so many colors.
This is a different, that was like the river. This is
Yeah, but do you see the letter T right there? On the coral reef?
They must be having like a scavenger hunt.
That's your eye over there.
Yep.
Mommy.
But that one's light.
Oh, the octopus.
That's octopus. No, baby, they don't sting you.
Look at the octopus.
Look how cool that
You
is.
see him moving around?
Look, they're starfish, baby.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Scarlet, it's not usually moving.
Look,
Go on up, get up. Get up front.
look at him moving around. It's an octopus. You see all of his little suckers on his legs? Look at him moving.
Still are hiding.
How cool is that?
It's like, I'll get the picture for you to see it.
Okay, you can sit on it.
I have a big head.
Look how active he is right
But remember,
now.
it can get into really small spaces.
What color is he?
Pretty quick, too.
Red, yeah.
You wouldn't think it, you know what I mean?
Look, it's head.
It's like an alien.
It's all
It is an octopus. How cool. You want to go over there and see the jellyfish? You see a jellyfish? Oh, look, there's a big crab right here. Look at this crab. Crab. You can't. If I pick you up, you have an easier time seeing it.
Look, Max. Crab. He's a crab. He pinches. I got pinchers. I'm a crab.
He's doing crabby things.
Looks like he lost an arm. He lost an arm.
Looks like he lost a couple.
He got
Probably
he
why
got in a crab
he's
battle.
here.
He got like little arms on his face. You see those? It's weird.
All right, here, let's go look at the jellyfish.
Whoa, did you color that?
Huh?
Good job.
Look, do you see the jellyfish, Max? Look at them. How cool. Okay, well, hold on.
I have a big one. I see a big one.
Look, do you see the jellyfish? Jellyfish? leopard. It's got leopard spots. Ooh, look at that picture.
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
How cool. Look, there's a sea turtle right there. Yeah. Is there some fish swimming up there?
Oh, no. No.
No fish.
The shark.
Ooh, look, there's a shark. Look, there's 2 sharks. There's a big one and a little one.
The shark.
We're walking on water
You got a shark?
This information is used to help conservation.
Watch your step.
Ooh, look.
Don't fall in.
Once sea turtle hatchlings reach the ocean, the
Yeah,
males never return
it would be good.
Ooh, Max, look at this shark. Right here. You see him right there?
Oh. Sorry,
Look, Max, right here. Look, right here. Look. Shark.
That's how big.
Very cool.
Look at this big shark, Max. Over here on the wall.
That's a big shark.
That is a big shark.
They don't have a tank big enough for that one.